before you get started with cooking or anything, you should always wash your hands. And also always wash all of your products before you get started. That includes your greens and your vegetables. First of all, we're going to start out by slicing our tomato. Sandwich slices or burger slices. And so you want to do nice, decently thick, but not too thick, a 1/4 inch thick. And depending on the size of your bread that you're using, you can cut them in your tomatoes in half. And then the next, we'll move those. They're all juicy. We'll want to slice our fresh mozzarella. So nice, decent, about the same thickness as your tomatoes. There we go. Then with the basil, there's a couple different things you can do. You can put the fresh leaves laid on there just like that, or cooking term, you can chiffonade them, which in the French terminology is ribbon cuts. So this is how you do that. It's all up to you and what you want to do with your sandwich. So that's just an example of what you can do. Next, gather up your bread. And this one is not sliced. You can get sliced bread pre-sliced if you don't have, if you don't feel comfortable using a knife. But what we're going to do is just start on one end, make sure you securely hold the bread and slice. You want to open up your bread so you can do a sandwich. Then on the bottom and on the top, we're going to put the remoulade oil. We're going to drizzle that over the bread. Then we're going to take the glaze and we're going to drizzle that over the top. And I have to say that Fustini's does an amazing job with all of their products. And I love them. I love to use them at home, and I've used them at work as well. So then we lay our tomatoes on. Oversized tomatoes. So you want to move that out of the way. Then you want to shingle them, place that on there. Then we're going to take our fresh mozzarella. Then we're going to take our prosciutto. You can buy whole sides of them, and you can also get them pre-sliced. I've just bought sandwich ready. Layer that on there. You don't want to add the prosciutto on there. You can just leave the sandwich as is and just put the basil on there and call it good. A couple slices, I think, will be plenty. Then, to finish with your basil, you can put the ribbons of basil on there, or you can layer it on like lettuce down your sandwich. And to finish everything off, make sure you salt and pepper. You can use, we have pink Himalayan salt at home, but you can use whatever salt, kosher salt that you have at home. Now to finish the sandwich off, top it and cut to serve. You can cut it, this is quite a big sandwich. Probably cut this into a couple different serving sizes. Now that we finished the sandwich, now you can enjoy it. You can find more recipes at fustinis.com and stay safe out there. Enjoy.